you've been watching my content closely since I started creating in September 2024, you'll notice one thing, that I've been trading just one pair, which is GBPUSD, with just one strategy. And here's the most crazy part: I've been trading just one session, which is 6:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Nigerian time. Narrowing everything down to just one has played a very significant role in making me profitable in the shortest period of time, making me pass funded account phases, getting payouts, basically helping me see consistent profits from the forex market. See, diversification is good, but mastery is better. Try to stick to one thing, because all of this quick progress I've made in my trading career wouldn't have been possible if I traded like 5 or 6 pairs, if I kept jumping from one strategy to another, and if I kept trading all the sessions. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 reasons why I trade just one pair, and also 3 good advantages what trading one pair has done for my trading. Personally, for me, I believe in simplicity and smart work over hard work, because if you come to think of it, there are people who work way harder than you, but yet are earning way lesser than people who actually put less work. So coming into the trading space with that same mentality, I knew that okay, as it also affects in real life, it might also affect in the financial market. And guess what? I was right. Trading every single time, trading 100 pairs doesn't necessarily mean that you make more money. In fact, trading 3 pairs doesn't mean you make more money than someone who trades 1 pair. Smart work over hard work every single time, and this philosophy of life also applies in the forex market. So personally, for me, that was the ideology I came into the trading space with, and yeah, it worked for me. So smart work over hard work every single time. The second reason why I basically trade just one pair is because I came to realize that more trades doesn't necessarily mean more profit. Because in my early stages of when I was still learning and trading on a demo account, I'll probably make profit on a particular pair and the other pair will be taking it. Make profit and another pair keeps taking the profit you're making. That is the thing about over trading. More trades doesn't mean more profit. In fact, more trades likely means less profit if you're looking at it from a standpoint of your psychology, because you need to always know how to leave the charts, come back another time, so that you can always maintain a good mindset when you come into the chart. So coming into the chart next time, always have it in mind that the more trades you take doesn't necessarily mean the more profit you make. The next one is mastery over diversification. Now, to diversify is not bad, but mastery is much better. This doesn't just apply to the chart alone, this applies to life. You need to master that one thing, that you can wake up in your sleep and they tell you to do this and you're like among the top best that can possibly do it. Most times they're coming to the chart and I'm like, seeing GBPUSD, I haven't put any trend line, I haven't put anything to give me confidence, but like my spirit is already telling me this market to buy, and usually it always happens like that. So that's how I've been able to master GBPUSD, that even in my sleep I can wake up and trade the chart well. And not just trade well, I can teach anybody, even someone in primary school, how to trade GBPUSD profitably, because I've been able to master it and I know how to simplify it for any single person. So guys, these are the 3 major reasons why I trade just one pair, and I'm about to give you the 3 advantages of what trading just one pair has done. So first of all, it has helped me become more profitable quickly. Now imagine you were trading 2 pairs, you have to backtest 2 pairs, you have to know the win rate for 2 pairs. Let's say one pair is in a win streak, the other pair will probably be in a losing streak, taking the profit from the other one. But trading just one pair has helped me to understand my trading style, my trading system, my highest win rate, my highest lose rate, every single thing, and it has helped me to master just one, and profitability came as quick as possible. The second advantage of what trading one pair has done is it has made trading easier for me. There are people who trade but are not enjoying trading. Why? Because it's kind of difficult. They may be profitable, they may not, but they may not be enjoying it. Why? Because it's hard, and it's okay, they've made it hard for themselves and they are making it complicated for themselves. Now trading one pair has made it so easy that in the morning I just wake up, London session, I see a setup in less than 1 hour of sitting down in the chart, and I'm done for the day. See how easy it is. It is financial freedom we are all looking for, not trying to cage ourselves into the forex market. So you need to understand that if it's not easy for you, then you're doing it all wrong. And now the final thing and the most important advantage of trading one pair is that it has helped me track the effectiveness of my strategy. Now, how does this sound here? If I'm trading 3 pairs, I have to backtest these 3 pairs, I have to check their win rate, I have to, like, if anything goes wrong in any of those 3 pairs, I have to start going back, doing all my research, doing all the backtest and all. But now I can easily track the effectiveness of that one pair. And sometimes if you're trading like 3 pairs, you may not even know if one is lacking down, because you're trading more than one pair. Your brain is not a machine. But I'm trading just one pair. Once something is wrong, I can easily detect it. I can easily know when something is going bad. I can easily know when my market is not in the right condition to be traded. I can easily track it ASAP. Why? Because I'm trading just one pair. I've been able to master that particular pair. So that should be your goal as a trader. Find that one pair that you can easily track and find how effective they work. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and what you choose to do with this piece of information I've given is going to be determined by you. In essence, what I'm trying to say is, make sure you trade as much pair you have mastered and can keep account of, and for me that is GBPUSD. So guys, make sure you like. 50% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Make sure you are not amongst those 50%. It costs you absolutely nothing. Just click the subscribe button and you're subscribed. Boom, free of charge. Use the link to join my Telegram channel where I drop free books, free updates, basically all good information that you can use to better your trading as a trader. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace and love, guys.